So, I'm going to be really honest and vulnerable with you today, and I'm going to tell you that I really didn't feel like showing up today. आज मुझे ये करने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं था. मेरी एनर्जी थोड़ी लो थी. I wasn't feeling all that excited. Uh, it felt like I was pushing myself and forcing myself instead of, just feeling like I wanted to do it. But most of all, it's because I did not have a topic to talk about. As much as I like talking, मुझे किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करना पसंद है. The reason why I'm creating this space is so that there I can share my ideas and my thoughts. But today I was completely blanking. In fact, 30 minutes before I'm making this video, I did not know what I was going to talk about today. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. I have about 112 टॉपिक्स दैट आई हैव रिटन डाउन ओवर द पास्ट ईयर जो मुझे लगा इंटरेस्टिंग है और जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर सकती हूँ. एंड आई वेंट थ्रू द होल लिस्ट बट नथिंग स्टक आउट टू मी. मुझे किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. आई ऑल्सो डिड दिस रैंडम टॉपिक जनरेटर जो AI जनरेटेड है या फिर गूगल पे आप ढूंढ सकते हो. एंड आई वाज गेटिंग सम टॉपिक्स एंड आई वाज लाइक यार इसके बारे में बात करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा मुझे. बस आई जस्ट वाज नॉट गेटिंग द राइट थिंग टू कनेक्ट विद एंड टू टॉक अबाउट. And as much as this kind challenge is to be able to get comfortable with just showing up and speaking, it is also coming from a place of purpose for me where I feel like I'm meant to share some interesting ideas. I don't want it to be a space where I'm forcing myself to show up, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं ये ज़बरदस्ती कर रही हूँ तो that energy will come across to you and you'll also not feel as excited about those things, or you'll also not feel as interested in them, or you also may not connect with it as well as I would hope for if I'm not doing it with the right intent. Intent is important because it's energy. आप जिस energy से कुछ create करते हो वही energy से लोग उसको receive करते हैं. So I didn't just want this to be another one-off thing that I create just for the heck of it, just so that I can tick off day 8. तो मैं बस ये वाली एनर्जी में थी कि oh my god, I have to do this because I've uh, committed to doing this and I have to put myself out there. And then I was thinking, how is this any different from the job that I used to do? वहाँ पे भी मुझे कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता था, so I would force myself because I had to do it. पर मैंने ना एक ये हैक सीखी है. It's from Mel Robbins. उन्होंने कहा कि जब भी आप इस प्लेस में हो ना where you feel like you have to do something, try to change the wordings from have to do it to get to do it. Change it from a place of burden to a place of opportunity. Oh my god, I get to do this. And the moment I switched it up, in that very moment, all the memories and all the reasons of why I was doing this came back to me. Now, before I get into that, I do want to differentiate. Kabhi kabhi, that get to do that also doesn't feel authentic. जैसे जब मैं काम करती थी in the corporate world और तब मुझे ज़बरदस्ती काम करना पड़ता था. If I would have changed that mindset to, oh, I get to do this, as grateful as that would make me feel, it would still feel like I am forcing myself to look at the bright side when I'm not happy. So when you use this trick, you need to be really sure that you're doing it from an honest place. Like when you think of I get to do this, you actually think that it's an opportunity that is meant for you and that you're meant to do it. You're not forcing yourself to do it because now that you've changed the words, you have to force yourself to look at the brighter side. Because I would be the last person to tell you to force yourself to look at the positive side of anything. I consider that toxic positivity, and it's not helpful. I have lived 30 years of my life doing that, forcing myself to look at the positive sides of anything that I was unhappy with. And it can only take you so far. Because while you are looking at the positive side, the negatives or the reality of life don't go away. The reason why the negative or the realities of your life are there in your life are because they are messengers of what is in alignment and what is not in alignment. तो अगर आप उनको डिसरिगार्ड करते जाओ और आप सिर्फ पॉजिटिव देखते रहो तो वो जो मैसेजेस हैं वो आप मिस कर दोगे. And it's not that it's going to go away just because you look at the positive side. It's still going to be there. You're just going to try to suppress it, or you're just going to try to shove it under the carpet, but it's still going to be present. And that's what happened to me, कि मैंने इसको इतना शव कर दिया, अपने सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को इतना शव कर दिया कि वो इतने ज़्यादा बड़े हो गए कि I could not look away from it anymore. So I'm going to be the last person who tells you to look at the positive sides of, to look at only the positive side of something and negate the negative side. So when you use this opportunity to change the words, make sure that you're doing it and you're seeing the alignment in what you're meant to do. So for me, when I changed this from I have to do this to I get to do this, it made me remember all the reasons why I'm doing this. I get to do this. I have been wanting to do this for so long, but there were so many blockages and there were so many things that were stopping me from showing up, and there were so many fears, and I worked through all of that, and now I get to do this, to be in front of the camera and to share my ideas. And it instantly changed something in me. It instantly made me feel like I want to look at this as an opportunity and show up. And that changed my energy. तो वो जो dreading वाली feeling थी, actually dreading वाली नहीं थी. It wasn't like I was dreading it. I do enjoy this process a lot. But that feeling of I have to push myself to show up because I wasn't feeling that energy, to when I changed it to I get to do it, that energy shifted within me. And I was like, okay, I get to do this and I'm going to find something to talk about. Still no topic came up. पर फिर मैंने सोचा that why do I not, because I've changed the mindset, why do I not share what has led me to this point? And this, like, because I get to do it, just finding a way to show appreciation for the space that I have created for myself. It just clicked that today I can just talk about how grateful I am for this space that I have created, and just use that to change my energy a little bit, because I get to do this and I'm grateful for this. So I want to share everything and everyone that's made it possible for me to be here. Not everyone, not everything, but chalo, you understand what I'm getting to along the way. तो पहली बात तो I'm sitting over here and I have this tripod and I have this mic, and both of these are gifts that I asked for from my cousin. मेरे भैया हैं who I'm very close to, and he's the only one जिससे ना मैं बहुत comfortable feel करती हूँ कि मैं उनसे कुछ भी मांग सकती हूँ. तो I had asked him कि just buy me these two things for my birthday, and he's like ये तो बड़े सस्ते हैं, कुछ और चाहिए क्या? And I'm like नहीं नहीं नहीं, यही काफ़ी है. I want to start creating. And not that I couldn't have bought this myself, but it's just sometimes good to ask someone for some gifts. So this is courtesy of him. मेरा जो फ़ोन है मैंने खुद ही खरीदा था, but it's an iPhone 13 mini. But I had asked a friend of mine who used to work for Apple to give me his employee discount. So I got this at a cheaper price because of him. So it's courtesy him. I have my laptop here, which is a Mac, and I bought it myself. But I was in Seattle और मेरा एक फ्रेंड था जो ऑरिगन जा रहा था, which is a different state. और ऑरिगन में ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ना, ये जो सॉरी डिवाइसेस है ना, ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, इस पे टैक्स नहीं लगता है. सो आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम टू बाय इट एंड ब्रिंग इट बैक सो दैट इट्स चीपर. Oregon was just 2-3 hours away from where I was staying. So this laptop is courtesy him. What else? I have this phone. उसके ऊपर ना एक slip है जो मेरे best friend ने लिख के दी थी मुझे इस साल. We were writing it for each other, what we hope and wish for each other. तो उसने लिखा है work will give you, work will give me newfound purpose, drive, connection and success. So whenever I'm talking to the camera, I'm actually looking at this, which honestly मैं उसको देख के पढ़ नहीं रही होती हूँ, but it's just there. This is a gift that it's a lamp that someone had gifted to my parents, तो मैंने उसको अपने रूम में लगा दिया. This whole setup. There is this plant. It's a fake crochet plant that is a gift by a friend. Obviously, everything else in this room is by my parents, but उनको क्या ही thank करूँ? I mean, by that I mean like I can never really truly express my gratitude to them. So I am sitting here and I'm talking to you and sharing my ideas, not just because of myself, but because of a lot of people who made it possible for me to sit here by in some way providing me with the equipments, but also and a lot of people who encouraged me and showed me the direction and noticed in me certain things that I was unaware of and told me that this is something that I can do. So this is me just trying to remember that I get to do this. I get to do this. It's an opportunity. I get to do this because people have not because I get to do this and people have faith in me. I get to do this and I have people who support me on this journey, and it's something that I want to be grateful for, and I am. I didn't know what I was going to talk about when I like half an hour ago before I made this video. Uh, but I guess it's about showing up and feeling that energy. And if you are feeling down and out, maybe you can try this changing your mindset from doing having to do something to getting to doing it, feeling like it's an opportunity and what can you make of it. If you're feeling down and out, you can look around yourself, spend 10 seconds just looking around yourself and seeing what are the things that you can find that you're true